So I've been mining the MXC token with my MatchX M2 Pro Miner for a little over than 1 month. So today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be sharing with you how many MXC tokens I have mined and the profits that I have made. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's been 1 month, a little than 1 month, around 1 month and 1 week that I have been mining the MXC token with the MatchX M2 Pro Miner. So today now I'm going to be showing you my results right here. So here on my screen, you can see the data-app, and here I have 100% health score because obviously I have not taken out any of my tokens yet, and I have made 7,695 tokens. So that is in 1 month and 1 week pretty much. I had started this on October 18th, so that is around 1 month and 1 week on average. And I'm going to go to the revenue now, and here you can see the weekly amount of tokens that I had accumulated. If I go to revenue here, you can see it by day. So at the very beginning when I had started, obviously the amount was less. It was 87 because it wasn't a full day. The first full day I had made 234, and this is all dependent on the price. So if the price of the MXC token is higher, you will accumulate less tokens, but you will still get that constant 10 to 14 US dollars per day. And that is what I am hitting. I am hitting around an average of 11 to 12 US dollars, and my miner is on the second floor next to a window. It's not outside or anything, it's still inside, but it's next to a window and it's on the second floor, so it's around 6 meters above ground level. So depending on the price here, you would see the fluctuations of what you are making. And the latest one, if I go to the latest one of yesterday, that was pretty much 230 MXC tokens, and today obviously it's still building up. Okay, now obviously I'm very excited for the 30th of November, when there will be the opportunity to be able to mine Bitcoin on the DKP3 testnet for anyone who has an M2 Pro miner. So that's going to be starting on the 30th of November. There is no indication here that you can do it now because there is nothing yet saying that this is open and that you can start doing this now. So I will be letting you know how to do that on the 30th of November once this is out and up and running, so that anyone with an M2 Pro miner can also mine Bitcoin on top of the MXC tokens that they are now currently mining as well. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you the amount of tokens I made. To put this a bit into context, let's calculate how much that is in fiat currency. So the MXC price is currently at 0.042 euro cents, so it's 4 cents to euro. I'm going to just copy that. I'm going to put that into the calculator, paste that there, times, and we were saying here that I have made 7,695, so 7,695, and that gave me approximately 323 euros in 1 month and 1 week. So that's 5 weeks of mining with 100% health with the MatchX M2 Pro Miner. So if I were to divide that by 37 just to get 5 weeks, okay, so 30 days, let's say 37, let's say 38 just to go a bit lower, that would give me 8 euros and 50 cents in profits. I'm not even calculating the electricity costs because those are negligible, because this is only burning around 5 watts, so that's really nothing. So 8 euros and 50 cents of mining with that MatchX M2 Pro miner, that would be equivalent to around 10 US dollars. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. I just wanted to make this to show you my revenues and how it's going with the MatchX M2 Pro Miner. If you do want to purchase one of these miners, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below, and you can click that link. It's an affiliate link, and you will be getting a discount of 50 euros, which is equivalent to around 60 US dollars when you come to checkout from the MatchX website to purchase one of these miners, because as you know, these miners are quite expensive at around 2,500 euros per miner, which is around 3,000 US dollars. So it's not cheap by any means, but use my link down below and you can get a bit of a discount there as well. Hope that you found this video useful and thank you for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash that like and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.